Hey, it's David Seay with the brokerage.
And John Tafoe with the brokerage.
And we're so excited to show you this new listing at 424 Old Trolley Road in Summerville. What a flexible space.
Really is, David. Automotive use, glass company use, plenty of parking for your employees, great shopping and dining along the strip here. Great place for your business.
And it is very deceptive how much parking space there really is here. Not only is there striped parking and the ability for your customer to easily park and to walk in the front for that retail experience, but there's a great open area in the back, John.
There is plenty of room for a lay down yard, something like that, your dumpster for your business use. And this is heated and cooled, David. If you have an automotive use and a heated and cooled shop, that's a big plus.
Yeah, we always get questions about where are the roll-up doors in this town, and it is hard to find, but you've got two large roll-up doors. You have a commercial man door, and then from the front, you have an actual retail presence and some side access. So a very flexible floor plan. I think it could accommodate a lot of small businesses.
Absolutely. Old Trolley Road, lots of traffic, great sign frontage, great spot for your business.
And we have a floor plan for you, and you're going to see this whole property through, of course, the walkthrough tour that we always do. We'd love to show it to you. Please give me a call, David Seay at the brokerage. You can reach me at 843-364-6720.
And I'm John Tafoe with the brokerage. Give me a call, 843-813-1228.
Thank you.